What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Stang. I'm Bobby.
Julia.
Today's video, we're going to do a little bit of a surprise unboxing. I kind of like this whole surprise thing, so
I like surprises.
I think, yeah, me too. Who doesn't? There's actually some people that don't. I think your mom doesn't, right?
My mom hates surprises.
Yeah. Well, today's video, we'll be doing a little bit of an unboxing. I picked up a few things from American Muscle. I got some stuff for me, and I got some stuff for Julia. She doesn't know what I got, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside.
Okay. Don't judge my slippers, okay?
Yeah, put the coffee down.
Oh, Jesus
boy.
Christ. What is it?
I don't know. I know, but I don't know.
I hate that tape. Well, how do I know which one is mine?
That one's mine.
Okay.
These are some side.
Your flaps?
Yeah, I got like little mud flaps, but they're not flaps. They're like little mud skid plates for my car.
Which
and the
one
box.
is mine?
Well, one of those are yours. So that's a Raxmium taillight sequential harness. So when your brakes go, they'll go like 3, 2, 1.
Bobby's been talking about getting these forever.
Yeah. So I got them for
babe.
both of our cars.
Awesome.
Yeah, so.
Okay, we're gonna have to put those in.
Yep. Something a little fun, a little quick plug and play.
Honestly, that's one of my favorite parts of the Mustang is the sequential lights.
Yeah, and now we just got the full effect. So when our hazards go on, they'll do it as well. And same with the brake. And when you like go to lock your car, it'll do the triple da-da-da.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Is this for you?
No, that's for you.
Oh, babe!
What are those?
What are these? Oh God, wait! I hate that noise. I hate that noise. Yay! I got my louvers.
Yep. Now you got the quarter windows. Yeah. You want to see a little test fit? It should say which one's the right and left. See how those bad boys look.
Yes. Oh, I just squished a bug.
Oh, with the louver?
Yeah. Wait, they look sick.
Here, if you want, I can hold them up so you can see. Here, I'll hold them.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think they match pretty good with the ones you have already.
Well, yeah.
Because they didn't, this, what was it, MP Concepts?
Yeah.
MP Concepts does not make, well, I think they did make one, but they look nothing like this. So I just went for
Oh, really?
a style that looked exactly.
Yeah, because they have like a
possible.
sharper edge like these ones.
Yeah. These have a sharp edge to it, and I think they match pretty well.
Awesome. Thanks, babe.
Yeah, you like them?
I love it.
Alright.
Gotta put these on now.
Well, I don't know if you want to put them
Well,
now.
no, look. Ew. What is going on? Do you see all these bugs?
Yeah, look at all
Holy
the bugs.
shit.
Look at go and show them all
We
this.
live in the wilderness.
But like, they're loving your car right now. Look at this fat one right here.
Ew, I can't. It's like humid and gross out right now.
Alright.
Sick. You're so thoughtful.
Always thinking about you and the car.
I know, it's honestly more so the car. And Bobby loves to like do all this stuff. So
I know you love that sound. Oh, here comes the Glory 3M tape.
oh yeah. But
Yeah,
I guess we'll
this
have
is
to make
from
a quick little
Speedform.
video from Speedform.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
we got our 4-step instruction manual.
Alright, we can
It's
do that
pretty easy.
easily.
Yeah, everything that will come with a little bit of an install thing.
Oh, that was so nice.
Yeah, I wanted to show a little unboxing and fun little box of goodies.
I love boxes goodies.
You know what's really weird though is that American Muscle sold me these rear ones, and I thought it came with a set because in the picture there's like a right and a left one, so it was very confusing, and I just bought one. So why would they
What are
even
you
sell
gonna do
them?
with one flap?
Yeah, why would they even sell these separate?
I don't know.
Does that
well, What if like one breaks and somebody only needs one as a replacement?
Then they have to buy 2. Then they make more money anyway.
Yeah, but that's annoying.
You don't think
American
this?
Muscle, honestly,
It's annoying either way.
Well done.
So I'm just gonna, and they don't even carry the other side. They only carry the left side because American Muscle apparently has so much of the left ones or something. They stopped buying the right ones.
So weird.
So now I have to order one of these from like, I think like MMD had them or somewhere else, but they don't carry the other side. So I could either return it or just buy it from another website, and I think I'm gonna do that. So
I think that we should start doing some giveaways for our followers.
yeah. Yeah, well, you guys need to like and subscribe and follow us on everything so we can give you free shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've already been talking to a couple of places, so we're going to be getting some stuff to give away. So, yeah, please like and subscribe, keep up with us, and you'll be hearing about those giveaways very soon.
Yes, and check our Instagram because that's where we post daily, and we have a lot of other stuff going on there. And if we do a giveaway, it's most likely going to be on our Instagram at Mr. and Mrs. Stang.
Yeah. Well, I think that'll do it for today's video, right?
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Thanks for
watching.
Bye.